In addition to the sun, there is a second possibility to light our scene and create a 360-degree panoramic background at the same time. This can be done by using an HDR image for both the lighting and the background as well. I'll go back to the Perspective Camera Inspector and deactivate the sun in the preview. We can see that there is no light and no background either. We are in white mode. Now I'll have to set the background, which will be an image file, and open the appropriate dialog. With the Browse button, I'm looking for such an HDR image on my hard drive. The HDR image is a special format because each pixel includes information for the lighting regarding the power and the color of the light. Once applied, the preview window displays it similarly to an average background photo all around the model in 360 degrees. Nothing special so far. We also need to activate the light emission, and now it starts to light the scene with a strong bluish color overlay, as if nightfall was approaching, for example. Taking a look at the HDR image, we can note, however, that in some parts the pixels are very bright, even, and colored compared to the rest of it. To see this differentiation in our scene, we'll need to activate a special function of Artlantis 6 called Enhanced Sky. It can be done in the Rendering Parameters dialog, and it's just one click. Activate. Now, using the Refine Preview option, the preview will be refreshed and the real light effect of the HDR background will be shown. We can note the strong shadows below the car, or under the roof, or this light radiosity shadow cast on the wall by the neighboring building. Artlantis interprets each pixel of the background as a light source with different power. The brighter the pixel, the more light it will emit. The capacity of Artlantis to differentiate the pixels of a 2D background image and interpret them as light sources will also generate a very complex lighting environment of 360 degrees. This is how it happens in real life, and this is what Artlantis 6 can simulate for us in the real-time preview window when an HDR image is applied.